Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make a butterscotch pudding. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so notified every time I upload.
In a bowl, add in 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of self-raising flour, and a pinch of salt. Give this mixture a good mix in order to incorporate all the ingredients. To the dry ingredients, add in 1/2 cup of milk, 60 grams of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until a smooth batter forms. The batter will be quite thick. Now to make the sauce. To 1.5 cups of boiling water, add in 30 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Mix until smooth and well combined. Spoon the batter into a buttered dish and smooth out. Pour the sauce over the cake. I use the back of a spoon for even distribution. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Spoon some of the warm pudding into a bowl. Scoop a ball of ice cream and place it on top of the warm pudding. Hope you try to make this at home and enjoy!